Morning students. From this video you will understand quadrilateral and different types of quadrilateral as well as their area and perimeter. So if you understand this and if you like this, please press in the like button and subscribe the channel. So let me start with quadrilateral. As already you know, whenever we talk about quadrilateral, it means a figure, a closed figure. What? A closed figure. Closed figure bounded by four sides. Bounded by four sides. That means what? Any kind of thing which is bounded, that means closed by four sides. See, there are four sides and which is closed, this figure. So this ABCD is a quadrilateral. For any quadrilateral, okay, the formula is to find for a normal quadrilateral, it is generally length into breadth, generally, but not always. Now let us talk about different kinds of quadrilateral. First, what we understand from the quadrilateral, the first type is square. What we call is square. Now first we'll understand what this square is. From the word square itself, we understand a quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal. QAD in short means quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Each angle is equal to 90 degrees. If we draw roughly a square, okay, consider where all four sides are equal. All these sides are equal. That means this is also A, this is also A, this is also A, this is also A. When we name any quadrilateral, for that matter any kind of quadrilateral, and we name it, how we read A, B, C, D. It's not that A, D, then B, C or whatever way. It should be in order, either A, B, C, D or A, D, C, B, like that. It should be in order, same order it should be. Now as I said, all sides are equal. Let us consider every side as A and each angle is 90 degrees from the definition. So for any square, so what we can say? For any square, okay, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to A, and all the angles, that is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. Now we will talk about the area, formula for area and perimeter. Area, whenever area means this part, this entire inside portion is called area for any figure. So area of square is, formula said, side square. I have taken here side as A, so I can write it as A square. And perimeter of square, perimeter of square. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter means the boundary, length of the boundary. That means for any figure, sum of all the sides is the perimeter. Always remember, sum of all the sides. Yes, you add A plus A plus A plus A. How many A's are there? 4A. So formula is 4A. So this is what is your square. Next, we will come to rectangle. We will come to rectangle. What is this rectangle? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and parallel. OPP means opposite sides are equal and parallel. In square all sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal and parallel. Plus one more thing, and each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is equal to 90 degree. That means what? Roughly, we draw a square like this, rectangle, where opposite sides, roughly this is a rectangle, where you can see opposite sides are equal, these two and these two. Opposite sides are equal and as well as parallel. So 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. These two we consider as length and these two what we consider as breadth. See, opposite sides are equal and these opposite sides are equal. If we name it A, B, C, D, what we can say? AB equal to BC equal to L, that is length, and AD equal to BC equal to breadth. Now, and each angle is 90 degree, that is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, which is equal to 90 degree. Now let us again see the formula. First is area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. And perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter, as I said, sum of all the sides, L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B. So 2L plus 2B, 2 is common, L plus B. This is about your rectangle. Now next kind of figure, what it called is parallelogram. What? L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A. Now what this parallelogram means? Parallelogram, if we draw a figure, it's like this, where opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. See, these two are equal and as well as parallel. These two are again equal and parallel. See, this way, parallel, parallel. But angles are not 90 degree. But I said, for any quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal, but angles are not equal to, this is not equal to sign 90 degree. In rectangle, angles were 90 degree. First part was same, angles were 90 degree. If you see the difference, here angles are not equal to 90 degree. Suppose this is again length, length, breadth, breadth. Now there are two formula for which to find area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram, first formula is simple formula, length into breadth. And another formula, if we draw here height, this is height, and this one if we consider as base, then in that case area of parallelogram is base into altitude. Altitude means height. Altitude means height, which I have denoted here with h. Now what is perimeter of a parallelogram? P of a parallelogram. Parallelogram perimeter is same way L plus L, B plus B, same way like rectangle, twice. Diagonal means what? For any rectangle, diagonals rather. So any rectangle, this is a rectangle, not rectangle, sorry, any quadrilateral. If we join a line from corner to corner, it's a very poor in drawing anyway. So I think main purpose is so that you understand. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. So there are two diagonals possible for any figure. For A, B, C, D, which are your diagonals? AC and BD, joining from corner to corner. That is diagonal. Okay? Now, moving on to the next type of figure, that is called rhombus. Now, when we talk about rhombus, what this rhombus is? RHOMBUS. Now, rhombus is also a parallelogram, but the thing is where all sides are equal. Rhombus is also a parallelogram actually. The only property difference is in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, but here all sides are equal. Here all sides are equal. And opposite sides are parallel, but angles are not 90 degree. A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal, but angles are not equal to 90 degree. That is called rhombus. Now, for this particular rhombus, what it can happen? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. See, AB, BC, CD, DA. And let all these sides be. Now, what is area of a rhombus? Area of rhombus is half D1 into D. From there, D1 into the sum. Shall I explain this to now? The diagonal, corner to corner, is joining. This is your D1 and this is your D2. This is your D2. So half D1 into D2. And what is perimeter of a rhombus? P means perimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4A, because sum of all the sides means perimeter. Now, last type of figure where we talk about trapezium. Last type of quadrilateral, which is called as trapezium. Trapezium. Now, what this trapezium means? Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite side is parallel, but other pair is not parallel. Okay, see, these two are parallel, but these two are not parallel. Now, what is this parallel means? If I extend this one up to infinity, that means as much as I can. So what it happens that it never meets. That's why they are parallel. But this one, if I extend, see, they will meet. So that's why the other pair is not parallel. If we name any trapezium, it is A, B, C, D. Now, how we define a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel, but other pair is not parallel. This is what is your trapezium. So that means what? AB parallel to DC, but AD not parallel to, if we cross it, that means not parallel to BC. You remember it. If this is called equal, and after writing equal, if you cross like this, that is called not equal. Same way, parallel, you cross it like this or like this, that is called not parallel. Now, the trapezium, we usually have a formula only for area. Trapezium. The formula says area of trapezium half sum of parallel sides. Sum means plus. Sum of parallel sides into height. Height means altitude when we draw perpendicular. Okay, that is your 90 degree, that is your height, which is h. This length is a and this length is suppose b. So according to formula, half is half. Sum of parallel sides means a plus b. We can write a plus b into height. Height means h. So half a plus b into h. So I believe this much is clear to you. Thank you very much.